Hi guys, this session we are going to understand and learn what is fruitful function and void function. So what I am talking is fruitful and void. So fruitful function is a function which returns some values. I will give you one example over here of void function and the fruitful function. First I will use the void function. So what I am doing is I am defining a function add and I am giving a comma b, so it will take two value, and then I am saying result equal to a plus b, and then I am printing over here print result. So now let's call this function. So what I will do, I will say add 5 comma 5, sorry, I bad. So it will give you 10. What if I want to store this value in another variable and then I want to perform some task? So let's see. I am saying output equal to add 5 comma 5 and then execute. So it's saying 10, and what if I print this? Print output. So you will see the none. If you check type of none, so it will say that class non-type. So whenever if it is a function does not return any value, or you can say is not a fruitful function, or you can say that a void function which you are defining, you cannot use the value of that output to the somewhere else. So another thing what you can do is you can create a fruitful function def sub a comma b and then colon tab and then result equal to a minus b. Okay, and then I will say instead of print I will say return result. So I will say if I am doing this, if I am calling this function 7 comma 5, it should return 2 a minus b, but it's giving you 2. Okay, and then what you can do is other things. You can say output equal to sub of 7 comma 5, and now see it's storing that output in the variable called output. Let's see what is there in the output. So output, so you will get the 2. So this is a fruitful function, means this variable which you are this variable in which you are storing the output of this function, you can store somewhere else. You can also do like you can multiply this, or you can do anything like this. If I am saying def mult and I am saying a, passing a, and then after I am saying print a into a, means whatever value I am passing I will execute that. So let's check it should work. So what I will do, I will call this mult, or I will first call this output equal to sub of 7 comma 5, and then I will call mult of output. So you will see this. You can also do like whether check it's working or not, mult, and then I will pass this function sub 7 comma 5. It should work. So you are getting 4. So these are the fruitful function and void function. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you.